Hey guys, Great Toy Collector here. Today we're going to be looking at a Play-Doh tea party set from Disney of Sofia the First. Wow, looks really cool. So we've got a lovely tea set and some pink teacups as well. So let's open it up and pull it out. So we've got some Play-Doh. It's glitter Play-Doh as well, so it glitters and sparkles. We've got some purple Play-Doh and some pink Play-Doh and some yellow Play-Doh. So lots of different colors that we can use in decorating her dress. So a little mold there to make some treats. And there's the awesome looking Play-Doh. And the pink Play-Doh. And here's the yellow one as well. So let's start decorating her dress and filling up the teacups and making some treats as well. So we're just going to use some yellow Play-Doh to fill up the teacups and have some yellow tea. So there's the first one. And let's fill up the second one with some more yellow Play-Doh. There we go. So I've got 2 teacups all nice and full. And now it's time to decorate her dress. So I'm just starting with the ribbon, making a nice yellow ribbon. So just putting the Play-Doh in, pressing it in really hard, and it cuts out the shape. So that looks very cool. Very pretty as well. Alright, time for some pink Play-Doh. So there's another flower ready to be put in her dress. And here's a purple one as well that we've made. Another purple flower. Adding the bow and the other flowers now. And now we can add her amulet. So nice pink color. There we go. And one more flower. She's looking very pretty. So we've got all the flowers added now, and the bow, and the amulet. So it's now time to create some tea and some treats. So there's the tray. And here's the tea. Some nice pink tea. Oh, that's cool. So pink tea has been made. And now we can add some of the treats on the tray here. So there's a nice square treat. And a yellow treat, a little yellow pie. Or cake. And a nice purple treat as well. So pink, yellow, and purple. So it's like a little sponge cake maybe. Or maybe it's a blueberry pie. Who knows? So we've got all the flowers made and the bow and an amulet and some treats. So now we can make some more treats on this little mold here. So there's a nice pie treat or cake. And another pink treat. So let's see what else we can make. So here's a purple one. And another pink heart treat. Yummy. So lots of yummy treats. Oh, and we can make some more. The bottom of the teacup. It's a nice square treat as well. So all our treats made, and our tea, and our teacups, and our flowers and bow, and amulet. So Sofia's looking very pretty. Look at all those yummy treats. We've got some yellow and some purple and some pink. So let's have some tea. Yummy. So let's make some of the animals on the back of Sofia's dress. So we've got 2 rabbits, 2 birds, and a bow. Oh, wow, he looks very cute. Nice purple bunny that glitters. And let's make the bird. There's a nice pink bird. Let's make another rabbit. So there he is. So 2 rabbits and a pink bird. And we've got some yummy treats. And some pink tea. And some yellow tea. And we've got some ribbons and flowers. And Sofia's amulet. So thanks for checking out the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.